Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Chan and I am here to speak to you today about the tool Wakelet. Before I get started, I wanted to note that the library setting we are focusing on today is the school library. We would love for the Glendale Unified School District in Glendale, California to consider this awesome tool to be used in their middle school at Wilson Middle School and high school at Glendale High to increase collaborative learning. What is Wakelet, you might ask? Wakelet is an online tool and mobile application that anyone can use to collect, organize, and share content. Users are able to gather different types of media and be able to view them on one page like a mood board. Instead of copying and pasting text or links into a Google Doc, you can use Wakelet for a more visual and interactive experience. Within Wakelet, you are able to share images, articles, videos, tweets, PDFs, personal text, and more. This user-friendly platform makes it super easy to group together ideas with classmates and teachers. What I really like about this tool is that it makes it super easy to create and share all different types of content. Not only can I type in text notes onto the page, but I can add images and embed videos as well. If I found a YouTube video that was related to the topic, I can copy and paste the YouTube video link and the video would be embedded onto the page. I wouldn't have to watch the video from a different browser. If I came across a tweet that was relevant, I could also save that into the page and the whole tweet including the photo will show up. With Wakelet, I am also able to change the layout of how the content is shown. With this, students can be creative with how the text, images, or videos are displayed. These options make it fun to share content and work on projects in a collaborative setting. What's also great about the tool is that you can just share the link to the board and anyone can have the ability to add content to it without a username or subscription. You can also export your full board as a PDF if you like. How awesome is that? The things that I didn't like about Wakelet is that I've noticed little glitches when you copy and paste links. You're not able to preview what you're adding before it is added to the board. When you copy and paste the link, it just appears on the page. Another challenge is that students and users can stumble upon or share inappropriate content, and I don't see a way to censor or restrict that at the moment. Also, I noticed that there isn't a way to discuss amongst other students in a two-way conversation through this application. On the other hand, there are things that surprise me about this tool. With certain media you add, you are able to view the content in reading mode, and with reading mode you can also go into what they call the immersive reader. With the immersive reader option, it will actually read out loud the text within the web page or media you choose. This is such an amazing feature and especially beneficial for blind or visually impaired students. Another surprise was that the Wakelet has a Chrome extension, which makes it even easier for students and users to add content. As a suggestion, I did wish that this tool could have a way to post feedback or comment or chat with other users so that there could be a form of communication or back and forth that might make it fun for students. It would also be nice for teachers to be able to censor or restrict explicit content on certain boards. To conclude, I definitely would recommend Wakelet as a classroom tool for middle school or high school students in the Glendale Unified School District. As a best practice, I would recommend using the Wakelet app or online platform for any future projects or presentations to help keep track of ideas and resources. Using this tool in a classroom will be a great way for multiple students to collaborate and work together as a team to brainstorm and gather ideas for their projects. I really appreciate you taking the time to hear me speak about this awesome tool. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. Thank you.